Going to sharpen a case knife in Escanaba today, Escanaba, Michigan. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. These rods are made to adjust so they pick up and follow the original edge. Takes the guesswork out, puts the original bevel back in the blade. Use them on fillet knives, hunting knives, pocket knives. They're quick, they're simple, anyone can do it. Gets them sharp real quick. Finish them off on a piece of leather when you're done, and that'll take you in the arm shaving sharp.
You want to sharpen mine for me?
I'll do yours too. There. See them hairs coming off? How's that feel, buddy? Also can do the hawk bills and the hook bills. Hard to do on a stone because of the curve.
Real hard.
Watch this. Put them in there, work them through.
There goes Bentley. Shit.